Let's face it, most technology out there for a real estate platform is old school, right? It looks like it was built in the Stone Age. It's hard to use. It gets frustrating and you can't take it on the go. That's why Chime built our platform on a mobile device first. We created the mobile app of our CRM to ensure that you can engage with your clients, capitalize on buying opportunities, and use the system on the go. The platform that your team uses is only as good as the amount of usage and mastery that your team has when leveraging the software. That's why in Chime, we help promote agent training and agent retention by offering in-depth reports about who your power users are, who's making the calls, who's sending the texts, who's using the system to the fullest capacity. That way you can identify coaching opportunities to ensure that this system is being used day in and day out, that you can track the progress of your agents, and that you can help encourage your clients to use a very easy, simple to use IDX to set up searches, leverage your inventory, and find their next home faster using Chime. To find out more of how Chime can help you manage, grow, and lead your team, fill out the form, request a demo, and let's dive into the Chime platform to show you everything we have to offer.